Hi everyone, my name is Jeff and today is Cabochon Cutting Day again. Now today I'm going to be cutting a rectangular cushion shape out of a dark piece of blue Dichroic fused glass. Welcome to Rocket Rose Art. Today the piece I'm cutting is quite dark. It is blue, and if you get the right light on it, it's a nice rich blue. But it is quite dark. The shape, I think, is best cut into a long cushion shape, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I don't expect to see any surprises. I think it'll go fairly straightforward. Please, if you are new to my channel and you haven't been here before, or you haven't subscribed and you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe, turn on your notifications, and doesn't hurt to hit the like button as well. So we'll get into cutting this cabochon. If you haven't looked at any of my videos, just want to let you know that I'm using diamond wheels to grind and shape the cab. I use a 360 grit, sometimes I go to a 600 grit, and then it is fire polished in a kiln. I don't use the normal lapidary technique of going through all the different grits right to a fine grit and then polishing on cerium. So the whole process is a little simpler for me, and it still gets a very similar result. This, while it looks nice and bright, will actually be reasonably dark once I make the cab out of it. So it's going to have quite a bit of black in it, and a very deep blue. But I actually like the dark stones. I think they've got a bit of a mystery about them. But I still think it's going to make a nice stone. But I'm not going to do an oval with this one. I'm going to square up all the sides and do it like a cabochon cut. Actually, before I go and do that, I will put it on the Dop Stick and then I'll come back. end is out just by a fraction. Okay, I think that's enough. We can go and fire polish it. Well, that turned out quite nice. Even though it's dark, if you get the light on it in the right way, the blue is quite nice. And it possibly would make a nice ring stone. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you got something out of that and may even consider giving it a go yourself. If you want to watch a couple more videos, you'll find them as usual up there and down there, a couple of suggested ones. Please don't forget to subscribe. And until the next video, I will say bye for now.